The year is 2030. Your burger was grown in a lab, your milk came from plants, and your snack might be made from insects. Sounds strange. It's not science fiction. It's the future of food. In today's video, we're exploring how our meals are evolving and how sustainable food alternatives could reshape our diets, our health, and the planet itself. Stay tuned as we take a bite into the future. Why our food system must change. Our current food system is under pressure. The global population is expected to reach 8.5 billion by 2030, and traditional agriculture uses up 40% of Earth's land and 70% of fresh water. Not to mention, it's responsible for over 25% of global greenhouse gas emissions. If we don't shift course, we risk food shortages, ecological damage, and worsening climate change. That's why scientists, startups, and even chefs are racing to innovate, and the solutions might surprise you. Lab-grown meat, the clean meat revolution. First up, lab-grown meat, also called cultured meat. Imagine eating real beef or chicken, but without the farm, the slaughter, or the emissions. Companies like Upside Foods and Mosa Meat are already producing meat from animal cells in bioreactors. These products are biologically identical to traditional meat, but with up to 90% less environmental impact. In 2030, it's likely we'll see lab-grown meat in restaurants and supermarkets around the world, offering ethical meat without the guilt. Plant-based everything, beyond just burgers. Plant-based foods have exploded in popularity, but by 2030, they'll be the norm, not the niche. It's no longer just veggie burgers. We're talking plant-based eggs, cheeses, seafood, and even bacon. Innovations in pea protein, mycelium mushroom roots, soy, and lentils are creating textures and tastes that rival the real thing. And the benefits: fewer emissions, no animal cruelty, and less water use. Major brands like Impossible Foods and Oatly are just the beginning. Startups from Asia to Europe are reshaping how we define meat and milk altogether. Insects, the protein of the future. Yes, it might sound creepy, but insects are a nutritional powerhouse, high in protein, low in resources. Crickets, mealworms, and grasshoppers require a fraction of the land and water compared to cows or chickens. They produce almost no methane, and they're already a delicacy in many cultures. By 2030, you might find insect protein in protein bars, chips, and even pasta, and you might not even notice. As the saying goes, if it crunches like a chip and tastes like one too, why not? Vertical farming and urban agriculture. Next on the menu, vertical farming. These are stacked, indoor farms using LED lighting and hydroponics to grow food in cities with no soil, no pesticides, and 90% less water. By 2030, skyscrapers could be growing our lettuce, herbs, and strawberries just floors above our homes. This local approach reduces transportation costs, carbon emissions, and gives urban populations access to fresh produce all year round. Precision fermentation, a food tech game changer. Ever heard of precision fermentation? It's the same process that makes beer, but now scientists are using it to make milk proteins, egg whites, and even honey without animals. Companies like Perfect Day and Formo are already producing animal-free dairy with the same taste and nutritional value. By 2030, your ice cream or yogurt might be made from fermented microbes, and you won't taste the difference. Smart diets for a smarter planet. The future of food isn't just about new products, it's about smarter choices. By 2030, personalized nutrition, powered by AI, could help you eat based on your DNA, activity levels, and health goals. Your smart fridge might suggest meals, order ingredients, or even prepare them using robotic arms. Yes, that's real. Final thoughts. So what will we be eating in 2030? Cultured meat without cruelty. Plants that taste like steak, bugs in your protein bar, crops grown in high-rise towers, and milk from microbes. It may sound wild now, but these sustainable food innovations could feed the world, fight climate change, and redefine what it means to eat well. Which of these futuristic foods would you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow food futurists.